have to draw Gojo in a time limit because he's coming.
Gojo, bring Gojo alive. Bring Gojo alive. Gojo.
What in the world are you doing, Vipul?
I am bringing Gojo back.
Bringing Gojo back? Come on, it's just a fictional character.
Don't ever say Gojo is a fictional character. Arigato. To an anime fan. But I have a problem. I don't have a picture of Gojo to bring him back. You, an artist, you will draw me a picture of Gojo, or else give that life to me. You have only 1 second to draw Gojo diagram. Go and draw. 1 second completed, Umar.
But that is impossible.
But that should be possible.
Look,
It's looked like someone pooped on it.
but drawing that in just 1 second is impossible.
Fine. Take more 10 seconds of time, but bring me a Gojo diagram.
Wow, your Lord Dharma.
You make me un poco loco, un poquitito loco. The way you give me guessing, I'm not in yet, I'm guessing.
Don't test my patience. I want a perfect diagram of chance. Take 1 minute of time and draw a perfect picture of Gojo. What, Umar? You want to leave or you want to die? Is that Gojo diagram?
I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, replaying our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't move one at a time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it.
better. But it is Gojo. It reflects dojo. Throw it out. Okay, fine. Take. It is your last chance. Last chance. Take 1 hour.